Hello learners, I Dr. Amit Tapkir from Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Yamuna Nagar Nigdi, welcome you all for today's section on sedative and hypnotic parts 2. After watching this video, the learner will able to explain effect on the EEG and sleep stages. Explain pharmacokinetics of benzodiazepine, enumerates and summarize structure activity relationship of benzodiazepines, summarize and understand benzodiazepine receptor antagonist, describe novel benzodiazepine receptor agonist. In first section we learned the barbiturates. We learned the three types of barbiturates, that's long acting barbiturate, short acting barbiturate and ultra short acting barbiturates. In today's discussion we are going to see benzodiazepine class of sedative hypnotics. In benzodiazepine class of sedative hypnotics, first we are going to see hypnotic drugs, diazepam, flurazepam, nitrazepam, etc. Anxiolytic drugs, diazepam, chlordiazepoxide, oxazepam, etc. and anticonvulsant benzodiazepine, diazepam, lorazepam, clonazepam, clobazepam, etc. In next section we are going to see the amides and imides class of sedative hypnotics, alcohol and their carbamate derivatives, aldehyde and their derivatives. Now start with the benzodiazepines. The benzodiazepines are based on duration of action, are classified into the three types. First is the long acting benzodiazepines. Example are clorazepate, chlordiazepoxide, diazepam, flurazepam, quazepam. Intermediate acting benzodiazepine, example are alprazolam, istazolam, lorazepam, timazepam, and short acting benzodiazepine, oxazepam and triazolam. The duration of action of long acting is 1 to 3 days, intermediate is 10 to 20 hours, short acting are 3 to 8 hours. Effect on the EEG and sleep stages. The benzodiazepine decrease the sleep latency, decrease the number of awakening, decrease the time spent in a stage 0, 1, 3 and 4 sleep, decrease the time spent in REM sleep by increasing number of cycles of REM sleep, increase total sleep time largely by increasing the time spent in stage 2 sleep. Pharmacokinetic of benzodiazepine. A short elimination T-half is desirable for hypnotics, although this carries the drawback of increased abuse liability and severity of withdrawal after long discontinuation. Most of the benzodiazepines are metabolized in liver to produce active product, thus long duration of action. After metabolism, these are conjugated and excreted via kidney. Structure activity relationship of benzodiazepine. You can easily see the structure of 1,4-benzodiazepine on screen. The benzodiazepines have a cyclic structure that include one benzene cyclic, that is a benzoring, and a heterocycle where two atoms are nitrogens, that's why called as a diaza. Normally the nitrogen are at 1 and 4 position, but which can also be in 1 and 5 or 2 and 3 positions. Normally the benzodiazepines used in a clinical are 1,4-dinitrogenated system. You can see the 1,4-benzodiazepine where the diaza means 2 nitrogen at a 1 and 4 position. The second point in a structure activity relationship is substitution at position 1. If you substituted one position with the alkyl group, for example methyl group in diazepam, which increases the activity, which is good for the activity. Second point, substitution at a position 2. If you substituted with the electronegative atom, that is O and N, derived from the carbonyl, means the second position with the carbonyl group or the carbonyl group, the oxygen is replaced with the nitrogen, then also it shows the good activity and are called as a first generation benzodiazepine. Example is a mirtazapam. Next point, substitution at position 3. If it is not substituted or has an OH group, increased polarity, glucuronidation occur and faster elimination because the molecule become polar, because we are going to substitute hydroxy group on a 3 position. The example is a lorazepam. See the structure of lorazepam on a screen, where the 3 position is substituted with hydroxy, the molecule become polar and fastly eliminate. That's why T half is less. Next point, benzene ring at position 5 is shows the optimum activity. It's required for the optimum activity. If the benzene ring at a 5 position and this benzene ring is substituted in ortho position by chloro and fluoro, then there is an increase in activity. These are the electron attracting groups. Example is a flurazepam and clonazepam. See the structure of a flurazepam and clonazepam. Where in flurazepam the ortho position is substituted with the fluorine, and in a clonazepam the ortho position is substituted with the chlorine. Next point in the SAR, replaced by other cycle, means 5 position, the benzene ring is replaced by the other cycle, for example cyclohexenyl, then the activity again retain. Example is a tetrazepam. You can see the structure of a tetrazepam where the 5 position is substituted with another cycle, that is a cyclohexenyl cycle, and which retains the activity. Substitution at a position 7 establish the potency, favorable position to increase the activity, especially by an electron attracting group. The trifluoro substitution have a good activity at position 7. The activity decreases by nitrogen, bromo, chloro, methoxy and R substitution. If you substituted the 7 position with the nitro, it is good for the hypnotic activity, and the examples are clonazepam, nitrazepam and lormetazepam, which are the good hypnotic drugs. If the 7 position is substituted with X, then it shows the anxiolytic action. Example is lorazepam and alprazolam. Next point in the SAR, any substitution on the other position 6, 8 and 9 may decrease the activity. There are other who are fused with a triazole or the imidazole ring, and so triazolobenzodiazepine or imidazolobenzodiazepine or diazolobenzodiazepine respectively. For a chemical structure point of view, benzodiazepines can be divided into the 3 groups, which we discussed already in first 2 points. That is a triazolobenzodiazepine, imidazolobenzodiazepine and diazolobenzodiazepine, based on which fused ring system is present in the structure. So this is one more classification of benzodiazepines. Adverse effect of benzodiazepines: it causes light headachehness, fatigue, increased reaction time, motor incoordination, impairment of mental and motor functions. It causes confusion. It causes anterograde amnesia. Benzodiazepines causes cognitive appearance to be affected less than motor performance. So we have to concentrate on cognitive appearance. All of these effects can greatly impair driving and other psychomotor skill, especially if combined with ethanol. Now pause your video and try to think on this, try to write on this, which is the benzodiazepine antagonist. How we can antagonize the benzodiazepine actions? Is there any possibility? Is there are some novel benzodiazepine agonist like antagonist? Is there are agonist of benzodiazepine? I think all are think on these points. Write the answers on your writing book. Hope all are written the answers. Now play your video. Yes, there is an antagonist. The flumazenil, a benzodiazepine receptor antagonist, which is competitively antagonize the benzodiazepines effect. Flumazenil antagonize both electrophysiological and behavioral effect of a agonist and inverse agonist of benzodiazepines and beta carbolines also. Flumazenil is available only for intravenous administration. See the structure of flumazenil very peacefully. It's a fluoroderivative and which is a competitive antagonist of benzodiazepines and the benzodiazepine analogs. Novel benzodiazepine receptor agonist. See, the agonists are also available for benzodiazepines. They are generally called as Z compounds because the name start with a Z. Example are zolpidem, zaleplone, zopiclone, and isopicolone. Structurally unrelated to each other and to the benzodiazepines. Therapeutic efficacy as hypnotic is due to the agonist effect on the benzodiazepine site of the GABA receptor. Compared to the benzodiazepines, Z compounds are first less active as an anticonvulsant or muscle relaxant. Second comparison is which may be related to their relative selectivity for the GABA A receptor containing the alpha 1 subunit. The clinical presentation of adverse overdose with Z compounds is similar to that of benzodiazepine overdose and can be treated with a benzodiazepine antagonist, that is a flumazenil. Zaleplone or zolpidem are effective in relieving sleep onset insomnia. Both drugs have been approved by Food and Drug Administration (FDA) for use for up to 7 to 10 days at a time. Zaleplone and zolpidem have a sustained hypnotic efficacy without occurring of rebound insomnia on abrupt discontinuation. The next is melatonin congener. Melatonin is a hormones, is a sleep producing hormones present inside the body. Which are the melatonin congeners? The first is a ramiltion. The ramiltion is a synthetic tricyclic analog of melatonin. It was approved for the treatment of insomnia, especially sleep onset difficulties. How this melatonin congeners act or the ramiltion acts? The mechanism of action is the two G protein coupled receptor for melatonin, that is M1 and M2, each playing a different role in sleep. Ramiltion binds to both, that is M1 and M2 receptor with high affinity. Binding of melatonin to M1 receptor promotes the onset of sleep. Binding of melatonin to M2 receptor shifts the timing of circadian system. Ramiltion is efficacious in combating both transient and chronic insomnia. Thank you. Happy learning.